Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you pin a conversation into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Google Chats application, and after that you just simply have to find the profile of the person or the Gmail which you would like to pin into your Google Chat. Now, after opening the profile or the chat section, go over the profile, and after going into profile, you will get to see this pin option directly. Tap to pin option, and then your chat will successfully be pinned into your home page, and this way you can very easily pin any of your conversation into your Google Chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.